Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to pay with PayPal credit on Amazon. Alright, let's begin. Now, if you try to add your PayPal account to Amazon, you won't find it in the settings. That's because they don't accept PayPal. But what you can do is, go to an external website like GainCardDelivery.com and buy gift cards. Simply access the official website. Then get to the gift cards feature at the top and go to Amazon gift cards. Inside it, you can buy a gift card for the amount of the product on Amazon. After selecting the number of gift cards, click Buy Now, and you can see that PayPal is available as a payment option. If you proceed to checkout, you will be prompted to enter some basic information and login. After that, you will be able to select PayPal and then sign into your account to complete the process. After purchasing the gift cards, get back to Amazon and then get to the checkout page. Here, you will be able to enter the gift card code and use the PayPal credit to buy this product. So that's basically how you can pay with PayPal credit on Amazon. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.